first time playing here, and it is very, very exciting for me. So if I'm not saying much, because I don't know what to say, because I'm still really excited. But I met a lot of incredible people, and a ton of my fans who are some I see are in the audience tonight. And you guys have shared your stories with me, and I just want to say thank you so much for trusting me and for sharing your story, because not only have you said that I've inspired you, but you've inspired me to continue to be strong and to make music. And this next song in particular, there was a girl tonight who said she had lost her little sister. And this song, I just want to dedicate it to her. I don't know where she is. Oh, that's really awkward, because I think she might have yelled and that might not be her. Anyways. Anyways, this is for her. And I guess she's over there. I hope that you grow into a very, very strong woman, and that you stand very, very tall. Like skyscraper.